the voice of the actor Douglas Rain, who's died at the age of 90. Now it's time for a look at the weather, and Susan Powell is here. Stormy.
A very good afternoon to you, Simon. Yes, some pretty dramatic showers around at the moment, with hail and thunder piling their way across southern counties of England, also into Wales and the northwest too. Here's a picture from Eastbourne a little bit earlier on in the day, and you can see the clouds there scudding across the skies. More showers to come for southern regions this afternoon, and some more organised rain in the west. It's low pressure that's driving the weather for the first half of this week. So, central and eastern areas benefiting actually, I think, from a little bit more sunshine from the remainder of today, along with the north of Scotland. Elsewhere, though, the odd heavier downpour once again. Northern Ireland, I think, largely dry, though, through the afternoon. Mild pretty much across the board, breezy, highs of 13 or 14 degrees. Then we start to look to this evening, and actually for the evening rush hour, still some pretty potent showers around in many areas. But once we start to move into the small hours of Tuesday, things become considerably quieter, especially across the southern half of the UK. Clear skies for Northern Ireland. Mild enough though, lows of 5 to 8 degrees. Showers continue for the northwest of England and for central and southern Scotland for first thing tomorrow. But overall, the prospects for Tuesday do look considerably drier. It will still be breezy, but there should be plenty of sunny spells and another mild day to come. So here's Tuesday. Here's those showers first thing to the north, but by the time we get to lunchtime, I think almost all areas enjoying some drier weather. Still breezy, a little bit of high cloud just feeding in to the west ahead of our next weather system, which will push across us on Wednesday. But Tuesday, pleasant enough temperatures again, 13 or 14 degrees. Tuesday into Wednesday, still low pressure doing the business, throwing this weather front, particularly towards the northwest of the UK on Wednesday. Many southern areas, I think, escaping with a dry day, but wet first thing for Northern Ireland and Northern England, and then the rain tending to focus on Scotland through the second half of the day, and particularly the northwest of Scotland, where the downpours could be quite hefty. To the south, however, with the sunshine, a very mild story, up to 15 degrees, maybe even 16 in Belfast, despite the fact we'll see a little more cloud here. Now, the mild weather is set to continue as we look further on ahead. What is going to change, though, is the low pressure will start to be replaced by high pressure building across from the continent. So we're going to lose a lot of this wet weather that we've seen in the short term and see things becoming pretty settled. I think there'll be a lot of dry weather through the weekend, even on in to next week. So our biggest talking point, I think, then, by the time we get into the likes of Thursday and Friday, will be which areas will struggle with more cloud. We could also be struggling with some more persistent patches of fog as well as we head through Thursday and Friday. So starting to look a little bit more autumnal, perhaps.
Susan, thank you very much.